In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a Upstream O2 sensor on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the engine in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open our hood and locate our engine cover and our oil filler cap. We're going to remove this and set it aside. Now after that, we're going to locate our T30 torque screw holding the engine cover down. Now we could pull the engine cover up and away. Now we could go ahead and locate our O2 sensor and its connector. As you can see, there's a white tab on top. We're going to push that back. And now we can remove the connector. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to do it from this clip on the harness and set it aside. Now to remove our O2 sensor, I'll be using a dedicated O2 sensor socket. Just going to slide it over. Now break it free. Now that it's broken free, I'm going to remove it by hand. And there it is. Now to install our O2 sensor. If your O2 sensor does not come pre-applied with some anti-seize on the threads, go ahead and apply some now. When doing this, take care not to apply any on the element itself. Now before we install our O2 sensor, we're going to clean the mating surface. I'm going to use some brake clean and a wire brush. I'm going to wipe it clean with a rag. Now I'm going to hand thread it on my O2 sensor. Now we're going to go ahead and torque this to 31 foot-pounds. Reinstall the harness on the clip. And reconnect my electrical connector. Going to push down on the white tab and make sure it's secure. Now to reinstall our engine cover. Just going to slide it over in place and push down. Going to hand thread on our T30 screw and snug it down. And for our oil cap,
when only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.